Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon nigiri. First, let's prepare the sushi rice, which is crucial for excellent nigiri. Start with high-quality, short-grained sushi rice. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear, removing excess starch. Cook the rice as directed. While warm, gently fold in a seasoned vinegar mixture of rice vinegar, a small amount of sugar, and a pinch of salt. This gives the rice its signature flavor and stickiness. Next, we'll prepare the star of our dish, the salmon. It's essential to use sashimi-grade salmon, ensuring it's safe for raw consumption. Keep the salmon very cold until you're ready to slice it. This makes it much easier to get clean cuts. Using a very sharp knife, slice the salmon against the grain into pieces about 2 inches long, 1 inch wide, and about 1/4 of an inch thick. Aim for consistent thickness for even bites. Now for the fun part, shaping the nigiri. Keep a small bowl of water nearby to moisten your hands. This prevents the sticky rice from adhering. Take about 15 grams of seasoned rice and gently form it into an oval shape. Place a salmon slice over the rice. With a light touch, press the salmon onto the rice, ensuring it adheres without crushing the rice. A tiny dab of wasabi between the fish and rice is optional. Your delicious homemade salmon nigiri is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to experience the freshest flavors and textures. Traditionally, nigiri is accompanied by a small dish of soy sauce for dipping and some pickled ginger to cleanse the palate between bites. Remember, a little soy sauce goes a long way. Also, don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.